Alright, so it's near 4 a.m. now, and I thought I just want to share my latest experiment, which is my first iteration on the investigation of the effect of ultrasonic wave towards electrochemical cell property. And this is my setup, and this is the electrochemical cell, which is basically just two aluminium electrodes submerged in this tap water. And the black circular thing that you see in front of you right now is the ultrasonic humidifier, which I use as my ultrasonic source. And this two lead is going to my potential start circuitry over here, and my signal source is from my DAC, and the my DAC is being controlled by this LabVIEW interface. And as you can see right now, I'm injecting triangular wave at 1 Hz, and the voltage level is around 8 volt peak to peak. Whoops, my voltage is turned off. And I use my scope to plot the IV curve of the cell. So this is basically the I and V curve, and basically what it is, let's say for example, if I replace the cell with an ideal resistor, then the scope will show a straight line with a positive slope, because that is what VIR is. And right now what you see is the response of the cell, and this is when the transducer is off. And now I am about to turn on the transducer by connecting this cable, and I want you to observe the plot as I turn it on. Okay, so I just turn it on. So as you can see, it does change a little bit, but it is not that significant. And on the cell right now, you can probably see the bulging effect on the surface of the water. So if I move the transducer, you can see the bulge move with it. So this proves that the transducer is actually working. And as you can see, the response is not that much difference. So this could probably means that acoustic wave doesn't really change the cell property. So in other words, this experiment could maybe this experiment failed because it seems like the acoustic wave doesn't really change the property of this electrochemical cell. And I'm not too sure if this will work at all, but I do plan to change the frequency, because right now the transducer is working at 1.6 megahertz, and I think that is probably too high, and I plan to reduce it to 20 to 30 kilohertz just to see if it does make any change. But yeah, the result is a little bit disappointing, but well, at least it is a result. So yeah, that's it. In conclusion, for now, acoustic wave doesn't really change the electrochemical property of this cell.